What up, gang? Happy Wednesday. Good one on tap. Before we get going, guys, just a quick reminder, tomorrow the governor will be going online to release our restrictions for opening May 4th. Shortly after that, I'll be sending out an email to everyone with those restrictions as well as our schedule. Probably temporary until we can get past these first couple of phases, and then of course at some point we will return to that normal schedule. So please just be patient, and we'll get there. The goal is getting the doors open, getting in here and picking up a barbell, getting away from those dumbbells and burpees that we've done so much of. So speaking of dumbbells and burpees, on today's workout, right, we've got that bead test. We're actually, for the Zoom classes, and I encourage everyone to do this, do a primer and see where you are as far as the time goes, right? So the way that it's written is every minute on the minute, you will complete 7 single dumbbell goblet thrusters. So what that would look like, right, with your dumbbell, you pick the poison. We're gonna go nice deep squat, driving that thing up overhead, hitting full extension. After 7 of those, we're gonna go 7 alternating power snatches, just one bell hits the ground, right? And then you will do 7 traditional burpees. Again, that's just the chest hits the ground, jump and clap. What I encourage you to do is do a primer, see where you are on that, time left over. We would like for you guys to be able to work for at least 10 minutes, all right? That's our goal. If you don't feel like you're gonna be able to maintain that for 10 minutes, maybe start at 5 reps. So, right, you'll do 5 for the 10 minutes. Once we hit that 10-minute mark, minute number 11, you're gonna start increasing 1 rep every minute thereafter. So at a minute 11, we're gonna do 8 reps of each of these movements, right? If you started at 5 instead, you would up it to 6, all right? Minute number 12, we're gonna go to 9, minute number 13 to 10, and you're gonna go until you can no longer hit that round in that allotted time frame, all right? Then we'll post our scores on or in Wodify as the top round that we completed, all right? All right, so let's do this. We've got the beat test. It's an every minute on the minute. Again, our goal is to at least get 10 minutes. Anything after that is extra, and we'll start increasing those reps from there. So you guys go ahead, get your gear, get set up, and we're gonna rock and roll. If you guys do that primer, right, do the minute, see where you are, take a couple minutes rest. We will do a primer in the Zoom classes, and then just to make sure everyone is gonna get that same stimulus that we're looking for, and then we're gonna be 3, 2, 1, go, all right? So here we go, beep test. You got 7 reps of each, thrusters, snatches, and burpees. Whatever time is left, we're gonna rest. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, and go. Seven alternating snatches. Seven burpees. And we'll rest. I only had about 13 seconds left. Here we go. Round 2. You down. Round to 3 down. Here we go. Ev, I'll see you, bud. Round 6. Six down. Round 7. Round 8. Number 9. Getting close. Number 10. After this, we'll go up. Eight. I'm done. If you finish that round, you're going to be on number 9 right now. I apologize about the breathing hard. Definitely, guys, a sprint. I recommend a lighter dumbbell. I had a 30 and got through 11 rounds and really having to move. So if you do only have a heavier dumbbell, I would definitely start those reps at 5 or 6 versus 7. Again, you'll know where you are on that primer round. Should have, you know, in the beginning, 12 seconds, 15 seconds, give or take there. It will definitely get less as it goes on. So just be smart choosing the load, choosing your starting rep scheme. Again, it's an all-out sprint for 10, 11 minutes. In the event that you guys don't finish the 10 rounds, let's say you get through round number 5, you just, eyes were bigger than your stomach, and time runs out, do away with the EMOM format, and then for the remainder 5 minutes, just do as many rounds and reps as you can. Essentially make it a 5-minute AMRAP for that remaining time. All right, don't feel like you have to stick to that EMOM. And then you'll just post what you completed as far as the test goes, and then any additional comments or reps that you got in the comment section. A lot of good weightlifting, guys. Prior to this, some skill work, sharpening that sword, getting us ready for getting that barbell back in our hands. So if you've got the ability to do that, by all means, please do so. Another really good workout posted, 21 Jump Street. If you've got the ability to do that, that's also gonna be a good workout. Other than that, happy Wednesday, hump day, hashtag weightlifting Wednesday. We'll see you guys on Friday. Have a great rest day tomorrow.